Today, I'm near Beaver County, Alberta. The reason that I'm here is to show you a brand new steel frame prefab home with floor-to-ceiling glass on 2 walls. Let's have a look. This is a fully blacked out looking glass from Modern Modular. Cool factor alert. What we're looking at here is 12 feet wide by 25 feet long for a total footprint of 300 square feet. And believe it or not, it has only been here for 2 to 3 weeks. So they've been busy. I'm very excited to show you around. So yeah, let's do it. If you haven't heard of Modern Modular, they manufacture not far from here in Nisku, Alberta, and the looking glass is from their glamping line. So it shouldn't come as any surprise that that is exactly what this is being used for. So you come here, rent it on a nightly basis, enjoy the sauna, take a cold plunge, have a fire, and enjoy the view. Let's talk about this look. So this is the first looking glass that I've seen fully blacked out like this, and I am a big fan. So they've got black metal siding, black trim. They've got the tinted windows reflecting back into nature. And let's just take a quick look around and see exactly what they've got going on here. So the main entrance right here has the covered section up above. The living space is up here. This is kind of a utility slash storage area at the back. Let's take a walk around to the other side, and while we do, have a look at the lake out front. Very scenic spot, to say the least. So when you're inside, which we will go in just a second, it feels like you are outside. You just stand there or sit there and take in the view, which is great. So they've got the black metal siding, they've got a black metal roof, and Modern Modular builds with a W8 welded steel frame. They've got 2x4 cold form steel studs, and basically everything that they do as far as structure and cladding goes is done in metal, aside from, of course, the windows. All right, I think that sums it up. Let's head inside and check out this brand new looking glass, shall we? Welcome inside the looking glass. This very well may go without saying, but this property is the exact type of property that these homes are designed for. So you've got a big view, you can sit inside, enjoy the view outside, and when you walk into this home, it is almost like you're walking right back outside, if that makes sense. Let me show you. Heading in the front door, boom. There it is, views on views. And one of the main reasons that this view does feel so big is because these are floor-to-ceiling windows, and the ceiling height in here is pushing nearly 10 feet. So let's have a quick look at the view. Boom, how are you? And then I'm gonna continue to the back of the home as if I just arrived. So if I was just arriving to stay in the looking glass, I would come back here, hang up my jacket or my hoodie there. They've got a nice spot right here for a suitcase or carry-on. And then up above that is somewhere you could store a backpack. Down below, they've got a 30-gallon hot water tank, which is plenty for the shower. And I'll get to that in just a second. And all the way through the home, they've got vinyl plank flooring. So as far as the living room setup goes, they've got it staged with a king bed because, again, this is a spot where people can come and stay overnight. It's set up for 2 people. So they've got a table over there with 2 chairs to enjoy the view. And as I round this way, you'll see this wall has a veneer panel. They've got the ceiling fan directly above the bed and pot lights in the ceiling. The panel is on this wall as well, but as we move into the kitchen, you will see drywall along with a backsplash. So on this side of the kitchen, they've got a 2-burner cooktop. They've got a quartz counter. Down below here, they have got 2 pots and pans drawers, one with cutlery and the other, as the name suggests, pots and pans. They've got the vent up above beside an open shelf that is home to bowls, plates, coffee cups, and that actually rounds the corner. So we'll see that on the other side as well. Over here, a bank of 3 drawers. Let's have a quick look. All right, and there is the sink right here. So a little bit of prep space on either side, and below you're gonna find some storage. So this right here makes a lot of sense to me. In a smaller space, they've taken out a few lower cabinets because, again, it's designed for an overnight stay. You don't need a ton of storage, and they've made it so it's open to below, so you can park a couple bar stools there. And this is a place where you can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner if you don't want to eat in bed or at the other table. Again, the open shelf runs nearly to the entrance to the bathroom. They've got a coffee maker here beside the fridge. So fridge, we know what those do. We've got freezer up above, fridge down below, and yeah, let's move into the bathroom. They've got the mini split for heating and cooling, and I should also mention that the vinyl plank does have heated flooring all the way through. So feeling good on the old toes. They've got kind of a frosted panel in the door here, so a little bit of natural light is going to get through there. And as I head into the bathroom, I wasn't sure if they had tile in the bathroom, but I'm seeing now that the vinyl plank does run through the entire home. So heading into the bathroom, they've got the barn door in the shower, and they've got a little seat over there. They've got a compartment to put your shower products. And over here is the shower head with the removable light directly above. And yeah, that pretty much sums up the shower. They've got the window as we saw from the outside. Gray toilet, look at that. There you go. And over here, we've got the countertop and sink that matches the shower. Mirror is up above. And the vanity does have two drawers, one of which has towels, and the other one is pretty much open. Down below, again, we've got some storage that is in use right now for a single roll of toilet paper. Across from the bathroom is one more window right here, which is kind of nice, looking out to the yard. And we will get one last look at this living space. And then what I think I'm gonna do is bring up the floor plan. Have a look at this view though. My. How nice. Here's a look at the floor plan. It's a studio layout, and as far as pricing goes, the looking glass from Modern Modular starts at $185,000. I will put the USD conversion somewhere on the screen for reference. If you need more time with the floor plan, feel free to pause it here because I'm moving on. There you have it, folks, the looking glass from Modern Modular. Again, it's 12 feet wide by 25 feet long for a total footprint of 300 square feet. I hope you enjoyed the tour. That is it for me here today in Beaver County, Alberta. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next